Angle stop for a bathroom or kitchen sink. Namely, we have the size of the angle stop would be a 1/2 inch here, 3/8 here, and I'm not sure if this is exact or there may be nominal size, there may be exact size. I'm not certain, but one thing to do keep in mind here when buying one of these angle stops for your bathroom, kitchen sink, this will work. This should work on the hot or the cold side in the bathroom, or the hot and the cold side for the kitchen as well. If you're dealing with CPVC, PEX, or copper, just be sure. Right now, the trend is this color here. Now, if you had polybutylene, which more or less comes in some of the old mobile home trailers, that may have a gray looking thing here. So now if you put polybutylene in here, it's probably going to leak on you because this is not the right size. So the point being here, this is a 1/2 inch by 3/8. So now what is interesting here, if we take this pipe and we take and put a tape measure on this particular pipe here, say on the end, if we took this tape measure on the end of let's just say here, and we go here, we it's kind of difficult to see. We go we're doing the outside diameter, so we're going to say, okay, this would be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. It's going to be approximately 5/8. I may be wrong on this, but don't quote me on this, but this is approximately 5/8 outer diameter. And now, so if we know these pipes fit, if we take this particular pipe and say if we take the CPVC pipe and we're measuring OD on this, we measure 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. So we measure 5/8 on here. And likewise, if we take the copper and we measure the copper, we should be pulling about the same thing on OD. That would be signify outer diameter. So the outer diameter. So although these three pipes, now if we're using this angle stop, a push stop, we can actually use this pipe, this angle stop, on all three different pipes: CPVC, PEX pipe, or copper pipe. And that may be type L, type M copper. I'm not sure. There's type K, type L, type M. There are sundry different types of copper pipes. So one may wonder, well, how does this do it? So normally this fitting here would be a 1/2 inch hole. So normally if you have a 1/2 inch hole, it may be, don't quote me on this, but and the experts can give me more exact science, it may be 1/8 larger for the outer diameter, because we have to have the outer diameter, not the inner diameter, to make sure the outer diameter will make a correct seal here. So if we took the outer diameter on this, the OD, although this is 1/2 inch pipe, the OD may be 5/8. So 5/8, if you take 5 divided by 8, that may come up to 0.625, something thereabouts. I'm not certain on that. You can get your calculator out and see maybe something like 625, but 5/8, just keep it in a fraction form instead of a decimal form. So these are 1/2 inch pipes: 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Although they're 1/2 inch, I'm not certain. I haven't measured the inner diameters. The inner diameters may be, I'm not sure if they're exactly the same or not, but the ODs are the same. Hence, this may be the reason it fits into this 1/2 inch angle stop to cut the bathroom or kitchen sink off. So, or for that matter, any type of push fitting or whatnot. So basically, we have the PEX pipe, we have the CPVC, we have the PEX pipe, we have the copper, whether that be type L or type M. And if we measure the outside diameter, the OD, on each pipe, it may come up to about the same thing. These are all 3 1/2-inch pipes, but the OD may read 5/8. So this is a 1/2-inch fitting, so you may need 1/8 more or something, plus or minus. I'm not certain on that. Again, the experts can chime in to make a good seal here. And if you took this, so also they use this kind of color here, but if this fitting, if you put polybutylene pipe in, the OD might be a different pipe, and we'll do a different video for polybutylene down the road. But if you put polybutylene in here, you may have a leak. So they make a particular fitting, but the one for polybutylene may have a gray looking thing here. So if you get one gray and you take it home and you go to put this pipe in, and this pipe does not fit, and then you start coming unglued or whatnot, and then you wonder, well, man, something's happening here. You may have bought the wrong fitting. So this is for standard 1/2-inch, and these are standard 1/2-inch fittings. So this angle stop here will fit. This push fitting here for an angle stop for bathroom or kitchen should work on CPVC, PEX, and copper, which may be I'm not sure, 5/8. So 4/8, you would take 4/8, you divide 4 into 1, 4 into 4 is 1, 4 into 8 would be 2, that would be a 1/2-inch. So 5/8 would be a notch above that, maybe 1/8 above that. I'm not sure. I'm not a mathematician in any sense of the word, but notwithstanding, the OD of these may be 5/8, although they're considered 1/2-inch pipe. And then this is a 1/2-inch fitting, so all 3 of these pipes will fit into this fitting here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.